You can tailor make it and you can create it in such a manner that you can deliver exactly what you want to deliver. Right? Because it is biomimetic, there can also chronic wounds. We started with diabetic foot, back sores, very, very good results.
I see this regenerative medicine in here, a lot of scope these days.
The advantage of biomimetic peptide is that it is synthesized in lab, so very much reproducible. You can exactly develop the dosing and the protocol.
Live while I can, stay here in.
With regenerative medicine stepping in as a viable complement to all the other hair restoration procedures like PRP, GFC and transplants and things like that, I think this field is going to go leaps and bounds in the near future.
Chasing